Good morning. It's Friday, so that's always exciting. And I know it's very weird to start a vlog on Friday, but I'm doing things a little different with my vlogs. But as you could see, I pulled out my hair, like I took out my Bantu knots last night, practically in my sleep. Because I woke up at like 4 a.m. and I couldn't sleep for a while, and now it is 10:42, and I'm about to eat some pancakes and some Earl Grey tea and watch a little Chicago PD. Yeah, after this I'm gonna start GRE prep. I'm gonna clean up my basement a little bit. There's a whole story behind that. But, yeah, I also have, like, tons of paperwork to do. So it's going to be a busy day. But it's going to be a day at home, which is great because it is raining. Oh, well, you can't really tell. But it's definitely pouring outside. So I am not really looking forward to going out there. I might have to make a couple runs, like post office, bank, etc. But, like, no. I'd rather just stay at home and figure this out. Alright, well, I will see you guys after I finish eating. So it is almost 9 o'clock. As I mentioned before, I basically blew off the entire day. One thing I neglected to mention was that I was having a couple short meetings with basically some partners from the company, as well as an architect that's working on a building. And I have a case in October, but I have to start doing like the evidence now. So that's a little something. I kept pushing it off, but you know, the sooner I get it done, the better. So I figured I could start on that tonight. And then I remembered the post office trip that I need to take tomorrow. So I'm going to handle that stuff first. So it's just a lot. I'm going to show you what the table looks like right now, and you guys are gonna laugh at what I'm trying to do at 9 p.m. on a Friday night. So as you could see, I have a little mini office set up around my dining table. Has literally been a savior for everything since COVID-19 started, because I have my nieces back and forth. They come for like 2 weeks at a time, sometimes 1 week, like just periodically throughout this entire summer. So this table has been for everything. I just finished making them dinner and they sat here, they got everything they needed, they got all their stuff organized in the living room, and then I cleaned off the table. I'm kind of doing evidence, I'm kind of not. I also have so much to look up for this case that it's like, but I'm thinking maybe just doing like some document compile here, like just taking the paper clips and paper clipping away, you know, making it look like I'm doing something. Well, I guess I am doing something, but you know. And yeah, getting my own stuff done for DMV, and there's something else I have to mail off tomorrow. Hopefully I remember it before tomorrow. Does that happen to you guys too, where you're like, I just have so much at once, but I have nothing at once? It's like everything has these far out dates, and then all of a sudden everybody wants it right then and there. So yeah, I'm gonna work on that for like maybe an hour, and then I need a shower. Like, I know you guys see how greasy I look. I've been cleaning all day. I just need another shower. But yeah, I'm looking forward to bed. Maybe watch a little more Chicago PD. We were watching Jeopardy earlier, and it was like the archived episodes, and that's definitely, I don't know why it's a thing, but it's been interesting to see Alex Trebek so young, because he looks the same age. But if anybody gets what I'm saying, comment below, because it's just, I don't know, the show actually was more captivating back then. The audience was way less tamed. And it was just, I don't know, but I could get carried away on Jeopardy and then not get any of this done. So I'm going to say goodbye for now, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good night. Saturday. It is, I don't know, I'm just tired, but I'm about to go edit 2 videos for 2 separate channels. I'm not really in the mood to edit. I kind of want to do some more cleaning, wash my floors, just get a lot of that done. It's just so hot. So I just turned on the AC downstairs. I'm going to head down there. I have one video on for my channel that I have to upload tomorrow. The other video is due in a later date, so I'll get that done. And then I'm going to make a couple calls and head out to the post office. So I'll see you guys in a bit.
1 hour later.
So after talking about it for about 2 days straight, I finally got to the post office, and I'm going to just drop off this letter, and hopefully I never have to hear about this car title again. Like, on a real note, I'm kind of getting annoyed with DMV and with my loan provider and just everyone in between. But, you know, it is what it is, and I'm happy to be in a comfortable car, so I got to do what I got to do. So after this, it's heading back home, doing a little work on my new apartment, and then getting some GRE stuff in. Yes, I've been saying that for like 2 days straight too. So let's see what happens with that. I have a bunch of editing to do. I edited one video that should drop. Well, this video is not going to drop today, so you'll be seeing this next week. But the video is going to drop on, what is it? It's like July 20 something. I don't know. But yeah, so before the post office closes, I'm going to run in. Has anyone like ever smelled their clothes and it smells like what you ate the day before? So when my mom told me the post office was probably going to close earlier since it's Saturday, I just like literally drawed on some clothes that I wore like 2-3 days ago that was just hanging off the rail. And on the way here, I started smelling like chicken soup, and I was like, is that my sweat? Is that the clothes? I don't know, but I need to finish cleaning before I take a full shower, and it's just a mess. But I'm about to put on this mask and head out, and then I'll see you guys later.
Time to survive you. I'm better on the other side. I'm all good already, so moved on. It's scary. I'm not where you left me at all. So if you don't wanna see me dancing with somebody, if you wanna believe that anything can stop me,
don't show up, don't come out, don't stop hearing about me now. Walk away, You know how. Don't start caring about me now. Woo! Oh, come on, come on. Oh. Woo! Oh, come on, come on. I'm not where you left me at all. So, wanna see me dancing with somebody? If you wanna believe, not anything can stop me.
Don't show up, don't come out, don't stop caring about me now. Walk away, you know how. Don't start caring about me now. Woo, come on, come on, woo.
1 hour later.
In 1 mile, exit right to exit 9, US 9, Tarrytown.
So, you guys can probably imagine who took me out. He's being sweet. He's holding literally the whole setup on his lap. But you see the little bridge in the background? It's so cute. We're in Tarrytown?
Sleepy Hollow.
No, we're in Sleepy Hollow. He did say that before, Sleepy Hollow. So I don't know, because he kind of just like surprised me, because he's just mega spontaneous for no reason, even though I love it. So we're gonna eat, and I don't know. So I have on like a little floral dress. Of course, my mother dressed me because I was gonna wear something tight, and she was like, yeah, it's a little too hot for that. And she goes, oh, that's a little too tight. So we're here, and I don't know. I was gonna end the vlog tonight with this, but you might see a little bit of the movie festival tomorrow. We'll figure that out, or you might see the car ride home. So see you guys later. Told me that I should mention the bottle we're drinking, because he's a wine connoisseur, and he's like, it's a fancy bottle, it's a special night kind of bottle. So, you know, it's funny though, because we're sitting at like a marble picnic table. I don't know, this place is kind of a contradiction. I love it so far, so we'll see what happens. The food just came, well, the appetizers, some Korean barbecue wings, and how do you pronounce this?
Arancini.
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 Well, of course, he's gonna have the authentic accent. So yeah, we're about to dine in. So I look like a reporter right now. I literally look ridiculous standing up, but you know, I just wanted to get a little bit of the background. So, Incognito, that's what we're gonna call him. He was like, you need to vlog this. It's so beautiful, it's so ambient, but he won't be on the vlog. We'll leave that alone for now. But we finished eating, and I inserted some photos before of the food. And yeah, now we're at a bar restaurant kind of place next door. And we're gonna have a little nightcap and then probably stroll back down to the Bronx once we've sobered up. So that's the rest of the night. And you get to see the dress. But yeah, this is the dress. So, I know that was very awkward. It's, you know, it's a work in progress.